The next thing we need to do is create a new plane and a shape that sweeps along this profile we've just created for the handle. To create a new plane, we're going to come up to our icons and choose the plane command. All of our settings for the plane command are in the drop-down menu inside the dialog box. In this situation, we want a curve point plane. So I'm going to select that choice, go back over to my drawing, select the end point of my curve and the curve itself to show the profile. You will see the new work plane appear when you do that. Click the green check mark to finish. We're going to start a new sketch on this plane. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate a little so that I can see that in 3D. And start sketch, choose this work plane, okay, and hit N to go normal to that plane. Now, it's going to be a little difficult for me to decipher what is the end point of my plane. So right now, I'm just going to choose to draw an ellipse. I think that's probably the closest shape to the shape of the handle of my mug, and I'm going to draw it out here in the open, not even worrying too much about it being linked in the correct location. So I'm just sketching an ellipse, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter sizes. So I measured my handle, and I think that it is about 0.75 wide, and let's go 0.45 tall. And that's approximately the size of the handle ellipse. Now I'm going to orbit so that I can see what's going on in 3D. And I want the center of this ellipse to be coincident to the end point of my profile. So I'm going to choose the coincident constraint from my pull down menu and pick those 2 points, end point to handle. All right, finish my sketch. And now all I need to do is sweep that oval along my path. Sweep is right here. Choosing the faces and sketch regions to sweep. So I want my oval. There we go. And my sweep path is this profile right here. And merge. And this is an add, not new. And that should do it. I'm going to press my check mark and orbit and take a look now at my coffee mug.